Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Want to give your Shopify store a brand new look with a custom theme? In this tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through installing a Shopify theme using a zip file, so your store can stand out and feel just the way you want it. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to import any theme zip file, whether it's one you purchased, built yourself, or downloaded from a trusted source, directly into your Shopify dashboard. So let's dive in. First, start by heading over to your Shopify admin dashboard. If you're not familiar, this is basically your store's control room. It's where all the magic happens. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. What you're looking for is the Online Store section. Just go ahead and click on Online Store. This is important because themes are managed from this area, and it's where you can see all your current published and unpublished themes. If you're wondering why it's under Online Store, it's essentially because themes dictate your storefront's appearance, everything your customers see. Next, you'll spot a button or link that says Import Theme. Clicking Import Theme opens up a new window where you can bring in a theme from outside Shopify's theme store. This is great for those times when you've either hired a designer, bought a premium theme, or maybe downloaded something unique that suits your branding. This step starts the process to get your theme into Shopify's system, and don't worry if it feels a little technical. It's pretty straightforward once you see how it works. Now it's time to upload your zip file. You'll see an option that prompts you to upload zip file. Click it. Here's why the theme should be in a zip format. Shopify requires themes to be compressed into a zip file, which packages all the necessary files like code, images, and style sheets together. This keeps everything neat and ensures the platform can read your theme correctly. If you happen to have your theme sitting in a folder, just make sure to compress it into a zip archive before you try uploading. The next part gets a little hands-on. Click the Add File button to begin your upload. A window will pop up, usually showing your computer's files. If you've just downloaded the theme, check your Downloads folder. It's a common place for files to land. Otherwise, navigate to wherever you've saved your theme zip file. Take your time with this step. It's easy to accidentally select the wrong file if your folders are crowded. So double-check the file name to make sure you're grabbing the correct zip. Once you've located the zip file, select it and hit Open or Choose, depending on your operating system. With the file selected, you're ready to upload. Click the Upload button, and Shopify will begin importing your theme. This part might take a few moments, especially if your theme includes lots of images or extra features, so just hang tight while Shopify does its thing. You're essentially unpacking your theme, letting Shopify read all its pieces and add it to your theme's library. And that's really it. Once the upload is finished, your new theme will show up in your theme library, ready for you to preview, customize, and publish whenever you're ready. If you run into any error messages, don't panic. Most issues are either a missing file in the theme or the zip not being formatted correctly, so just double-check that everything is zipped up properly before retrying. And there you have it. Your fresh theme is now uploaded and ready to enjoy. If you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like the video. And if you have any questions or need troubleshooting tips, drop a comment down below. I always do my best to reply and help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more handy Shopify guides and e-commerce tips. Until next time, happy building!